Greetings, blessings, and welcome. This is Mariama Tene. Today I'm unboxing the RII i8 Plus Mini Wireless Bluetooth Backlit Touchpad Keyboard with Mouse. Now this device is compatible with the PC, Mac, Android, a pad, Android TV box, Google TV box, Xbox 360, PS3, HTPC, and IPTV. The RII i8 Plus has a built-in high-sensitive smart touchpad with 360-degree flip design. It's a 3-in-1 multifunction 2.4 GHz mini wireless QWERTY keyboard, touchpad combo, LED backlit. They have volume buttons, pause, fast forward, rewind, the light, no light, no sound, the left and right, mouse buttons, search, a home button, explorer to go to the internet. You can use the top and bottom buttons for gaming as well, and to go up and down the screen. Again, you have more mouse functions, escape, the charging indicator, the reception indicator, enter, backspace, page up and down, and the enter button also serves as a control alt delete button. It's really a nice, substantial keyboard. The plastic feels good, doesn't feel cheap. It's very lightweight. There's the on and off button, and that's the mini USB opening. So I like the color green. I have one in white already. So in the back, as you can see, there are a different texture, leather-like but not quite, but it feels good on the hand to grab hold to the sides. Right here I'm opening up the little back door to retrieve the USB connected remote antenna piece. So I'm going to put that to the side, and it's very lightweight. It feels lighter than an Xbox or PlayStation controller. It's literally 1/3 of the weight of that. And so right here is the antenna, as well as the USB connector and mini USB cord. And so what you would do is that you would connect the small end, the mini USB portion, into the RII mini wireless keyboard. So this end would, it goes inside of there, and the other end with the USB you would put into either your PC or your Android box or your PS3, and it would charge the RII i8 Plus mini wireless keyboard. And the charge, once you charge it fully, it lasts for about 2.5 to 3 months. So you don't have to charge it repeatedly. This piece is what allows the device to take over and control remotely whatever device you're connected to. I purchased this specifically for my M9X Android TV box. The Android TV box comes with a lot of entertainment, add-on functions pre-programmed. It also has YouTube, the Google Play Store built in. It also has film on TV and a browser, a Chrome browser actually, and other entertainment choices are within the M9X box. And so it comes with a regular one handheld remote with, buttons that go up and down. So this makes it much easier for me to be able to type in what I want to put inside of YouTube to view, or if I am on the browser section and I wanted to look up something on the internet using my television. I don't have to have a big keyboard. I can just use my thumbs and sit on the couch and type in what I want and press enter, and it'll come up on my screen. So again, this is 92 keys, wireless QWERTY keyboard, touchpad with multi-finger functions, single finger click for left mouse, 2-finger click for right mouse, and a double finger drag for scrolling on the screen. This innovative shape and portability and elegance make an excellent keyboard. It's really a good device. 3-in-1, multifunction. If you'd like some more information, I have a link in the bottom bar, and you can also visit bu-love.love/technology for more information on this product and others. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. Bless.